How to cancel a Doordash Pass. In this video, I'll show you how you can quickly cancel your DoorDash subscription into the DoorDash Pass. So first is of course open up DoorDash application and make sure that you're logged in into the account where you would like the DoorDash Pass to be canceled. So afterwards, all you have to do is the top right is to tap in your DoorDash profile picture and you will be redirected into account. Now from account, just simply scroll down and choose on Manage Dash Pass. From Dash Pass, all you have to do next is you will only have two options. So the first option is to get Stay with Dash Pass and cancel Dash Pass. Now, if you have this option here that says Pause Dash Pass, um, you could actually try to do that. It will pause automatically, and then you just have to wait for a couple of hours for you to be able to have the option of canceling it. But if on your end you will only have options like stay with Dash Pass and cancel Dash Pass, then you just need to choose on cancel Dash Pass. And that's it. That is how you cancel DoorDash Pass.